think I'll continue my rave about Halfords tools. I've recently just purchased a nice one of these tool trays as well, which is a really nice bit of kit. It's got a really nice ratchet with a nice recessed release button on it, so that it can get into a slightly tighter space because it's not sticking out. Just again, nice Halfords quality, heavy duty. It's got lots of useful bits in it, like the extension bar, and it goes up to big size, which is, what have we got? Got another 34. That's brilliant. So they go 34 back down to 10. They're all just really nice sockets. It's got some deep ones as well. So you got a 22, and for some reason they go 22, 19, 17, 13 and 10. Don't quite know why, but I've already got some other deep sockets, so it wasn't a big issue to have that. But again, you just got a really nice quality piece of kit with a nice ratchet. I like Halfords Advanced tools. They're very good. I know that they may not be around the world available, but they are available in the UK. And if you work on your car in the UK, Halfords tools and Halfords Advanced tools are really good.